All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about everything from cryptocurrency mining to mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 365% of your initial investment, 1% every single day. All kinds of awesome stuff. Today we're talking about Tectonic cryptocurrency. Yep, this coin is doing real well right now. We're going to do a price prediction. This project is doing very steadily for more DeFi platforms, which is fantastic. Go to their website, check out their Twitter, what's going on with Tectonic. What's going on with Tectonic? Also, GPUs are coming down. What's going on with the price plunge going down 40%, 30%? So is mining for GPUs, the pricing getting better? I don't know. Let's check it out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Tectonic, this could be a good discount buy. It's down 16% right now for the last 7 days. It's down about 4% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. All right, over here at Tectonic. So in the last 7 days, well, in the last 24 hours, it's going down, down, down. Take a look at that. Could be a good discount buy in the last 7 days. Yep, it's on a steadily 15%, 14% down from where it was about a week ago. So this could be a good discount buy. Checking that out. So it says Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic-based money market protocol that allows users to participate in liquidity, suppliers, or borrowers. Suppliers provide liquidity to the market to earn passive income. Hey, there you go, everybody. There's that word, passive income. By borrowing and able to borrow liquidity in over-collateralized fashion. Tectonic protocol designed reference compound proven audited protocol with an attractive incentive program powered by Tonic, the native token Tectonic protocol. All right, over here at their Twitter account, good morning, Tectonians. Dual rewards, VVS and Tonic farms on VVS finance incoming. Stake your VVS and Tonic LP tokens to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. What's better than being rewarded with 1 token in our crystal farm? You know it. How about getting rewarded with 2 tokens? That's right, multiple rewards farmings are here. So you can actually get a double rewards using the VVS and the Tonic today. So to make sure you head yourself over to VVS Finance and Tonic and check this out. All right, over at the website here, Tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and assessing assets-backed loans. All right, fantastic on that. It says, again, the main thing here, generate passive income, passive yields on your assets. Crypto assets deposited in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rates according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets into Tonic. Start borrowing today. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. Add smart contracts, insurance funds, and the open source. Our smart contracts have been audited and lended blockchain security auditor slow miss. The insurance funds, 10% of the interest paid by borrowers goes to the insurance fund used in the event that the uncollateralized loans are not properly liquidated. That's coming soon. And the open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic proudly committed to. All right, so far everything sounds real good. We're going to go over to an article for a price prediction on Tectonic and see what it has to say. Tectonic price prediction, steady rise for a new DeFi platform. And look at what it says. Tectonic's total volume lock almost doubled in the first 2 months. Can you keep up the pace? So they're locking and they doubled the amount in the first 2 months. Tectonic is a new platform building on the DeFi. It allows users to participate in either liquidity suppliers or borrowing. The former provider liquidity and rewards are with passive income, where borrowers can fund withdrawals. The Tectonic tokenomics, the collateral factors for every asset can be changed, and where the Tectonic token comes into play, Tectonic is starting out as a centralized platform, but over time, it is shifting control to the community. Eventually, anybody holding a certain amount of Tonic can vote on proposals that will change the parameters on the platform. These changes can range from security to development to collateral factors. Big thing on Tectonic, we're now listed on crypto.com exchange. We knew that was big. Crypto.com exchange, list Tectonic. Trade your Tonic USD pair now. Sign up crypto exchange online. the new listing on crypto.com. So that was one of the big things. Everybody's hearing about Tonic through crypto.com. I think that's fantastic. Here's another big thing. Cronus has surpassed 2 billion in TVL, total volume locked. The top 9 chains in TVL and TVL. And right there is Tonic, right there. Pretty awesome stuff, everybody. Here's another thing. Tectonic has recently announced a staking feature for its platform. Those who stake cryptocurrency will receive rewards. Part will come from fees paid by borrowers. The purpose of staking is to have more utility for Tonic. Long-term future, do predictions. Tonic has been done enough to secure a successful fate. Tonic has done enough to secure a successful fate. And we're going to come back to the price prediction here in a little bit. All right, Tonic, not a bad cryptocurrency. A lot of good stuff going on. What about GPU mining? They're talking about the price is coming down. All right, let's head over and check that out. Crypto mining GPU prices plummet as demand cools off. Impact both AMD and NVIDIA. Multiple signs of the industry indicating the interest in crypto mining GPU is warning mining profitability plummets. NVIDIA reported that its revenue crypto mining plunged 77% in the last quarter of the year. And now we're seeing signs that AMD-based crypto mining GPUs are also beginning to lose value. For instance, Sapphire GROP price hit has fallen nearly 40% over the last month. Now that's good if you're buying the GPUs. It's 40% discount. The data is eye-opening. The cards have seen the value plummet closer towards a plummet, $846 MSP. It is now down to $600. It used to be $1,400 down to $867, a 38% decrease. Since December, the overall crypto market has been on a downtrend, making it more difficult for miners and crypto mining gamers to recoup their investments and improve, but still hotly expensive GPU market. This comes as a transition pool of stakers draw closer to Ethereum blockchain, which itself is likely a single most pressuring element gatekeeping miners from further graphic card acquisition. As we've seen, the mainstream GPUs, both NVIDIA and AMD, have been dropping their prices since December 12th as well. Price reduction is about 38%, so there's about 38% down right now. So there you go, crypto mining GPU prices plummet as demand cools off. So give us your comments in the bottom. Is this going to make you run out and buy some GPUs since they're 38 to 40% less expensive right now? Still a supply and demand thing. It's still hard to get and everything. So I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic, do a price prediction, and check everything out. So here we go, the Tectonic price prediction. Most bullish on the future of DeFi platform expects Tonic to climb to 5 zeros and a 2 in 2022 to 5 zeros and a 5 to the year 2025. Tectonic price prediction for 2030 is 4 zeros and a 3 cents. All right, so there you go. Crypto predictions, often similar estimate of Tonic's future. They're expecting the coin to reach 5 zeros and a 3 by the year 2025. All right, we're back over here at CoinMarketCap. Price is down about 14%. There's 5 zeros and a 115. I'm thinking we're going to do 5 zeros and a 125 as my price prediction. All our information is for educational purposes only. But again, to go over here, this is fantastic that you can get 2 rewards. Good morning, Tectonians. Dual rewards, VVS and Tonic Farms. Stake your VVS Tonic and earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. What's better than being rewarded with 1 token in Crystal Farm? How about getting rewarded in 2? Multiple farm wardings are here. Yep. So pretty awesome stuff with Tectonic. Give us your comments in the bottom. What do you think of Tectonic? GPUs are going down right this second. The price is going down. Don't forget to comment on that. All right, click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here if you want to learn about Drip Network. Get 1% back every single day, 365%. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.